Now first off, we need to open up the trunk. Now once the trunk is open, right there behind the light over there, that's where the fabric cover is. We need to get that off, so simply grab the cover and pull it out. It's 4 flaps over there. Yep, now it's off. Now that orange colored bulb holder over there, that's the one for the brake light bulb. Simply grab it, twist it left, and out it comes. That's as simple as that. Now, in order to get the bulb off, all you have to do is grab the bulb holder with one hand, grab the bulb with the second hand, and sort of pull it out. If it doesn't come out right away, wiggle it. It may take a few seconds, and that's okay. Be patient with it. Just wiggle the bulb and pull it out, just like that. Now right there, that's the bulb. As you can see, it's a twin filament. There's 2 filaments inside it. The replacement bulb size number is 3157. Again, the bulb size number is 3157. So grab the new bulb and put the bulb back in the bulb holder. Now when you're putting in there, if it doesn't feel like the bulb is getting in there, it's not clicking like this, that's okay. All you have to do in this case is take the bulb out, turn it around 180 degrees, like turn it around half circle, and then it should go right in. Click in place. That is good. Now let's put the bulb holder back into the light. All you have to do is just make sure it's sitting flush, right? Get it in there. That looks good. Now we can twist it right, and then it will be locked in place, and that looks good. Now let's not forget to put that fabric cover back on. Now while you're doing so, all you have to make sure is those corner flaps, those wings on the corner, they go inside, and the center flaps, they sort of stick outside, just the way I'm doing over here. It may take a few seconds, so be patient with it. And that's pretty much it.